baby, watch your man out here. Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on with another Christmas DIY idea for you guys, and this time it's an entertaining decor for the Christmas season. And here are the items that I will be using, and they will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what they are and where I got them, and you can get some for yourself if you'd love to do this easy DIY. Okay, we have these two Christmas balls you can get in the Dollar Tree, a big one and a small one. And I'll be using some Mod Podge, some glass fillers, and some glitter, you guys. Okay, I started doing this one with using my hands to hold the little balls. The glass Christmas balls, but this does not work out very well, you guys. So, like I said, I started doing it this way, but I'm gonna switch and show you how I did it, and it's much easier because it's a little hard to hold it like this when everything is wet and put it down and all that. So, okay, I'm first gonna glue the ball onto the candle holder that I'm gonna place the two of them together. So I'm just gonna use some hot glue. It's a little fun DIY, so I'll just be using hot glue for the whole project. And now I'm placing the ball on top of the candle holder. And this candle holder I had decorated from before. I'm just reusing it. Alright, you guys, now we're gonna add the Mod Podge and add our glass fillers and our sparkles, our glitter and everything. It's much easier to hold it this way. The other way I was doing it before was very messy when I was finished, so the second one I didn't do it like that. I'm doing it this way. But you should do it this way, it's much easier. Okay, now we have these candle holders, another Christmas ball, and these trays. And we're just going to use the hot glue like I said throughout this whole project. And we're going to make a little tray. Two-tier tray. And I'm adding the ball on top. And then we're going to add our Mod Podge and put our little glass fillers and our glitter. And now we're just going to glue our top and our bottom piece together with the hot glue, and then set it aside to let the sparkles continue to dry. And now we're just going to add some bling going around the top of our two trays and also on the bottom tray. Going right around to help bling out our tray a little bit more.
Local Productions.
And here's our finished look, you guys. I like the way it turned out. I think it looks very nice. It's a nice little piece of entertaining. It's a nice entertaining piece. You have these glitter balls right next to your serving tray. The top of your serving tray also has a glitter ball. Now on these trays you can put anything you like for your Christmas decor. You can put chocolate, you can put candies, you can put little cupcakes if you make them, and little finger foods for your guests to eat. And I think it looks so nice and appealing. It will look nice for your Christmas decor while you're entertaining. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of my quick and easy Little entertaining decor idea. I think it looks super cute. I love it with the blue. And I love how those balls turned out. Yeah, the little balls on top of the candle holders, they turned out very nice. I think they look very nice even all by themselves. Alright you guys, like I said, leave me a comment, tell me what you think below, and give me a thumbs up, press that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.